Hi, good morning, and thank you for watching me. Before starting the same as I started in last week, hearts of the words. I'm talking nowadays about the roots. Today and tomorrow this will be, and just after that I'll be giving you prefixes and suffixes. Within this week, I'll finish it all. Before starting, I want to pay thanks to all the friends or the viewers who have been appreciating and cooperating with me in doing it, including Nikhil sir, P. Raina. I'm having some names here like Shadab Alam, Upender Chaube, Mayank Mahi, Yogendra Prasad Yadav. These all the people have encouraged me. Thank you. I want to wish all the best or wish them happy birthday to Vinod Kumar from Nathnagar and NP Singh ji. Wish you all the best. Priyanshu Jha, Ajay Payani, Sanjay Kumar and Rajiv Kumar Chaudhary. So you are not old admirer, you are very young admirer, and I wish you all the best. Please admire me so that I could do something better. Adarsh Shah, Navya Sinha, Sumit Raj, A.K. Tiwari, and many more friends who have been appreciating me. Thanks for appreciating and watching. Now I am coming to the roots. So now first one is coming here, erupt. Latin origin. This is of Latin origin, Rampo or Eruptum. Original word, break, like rupture, corrupt, disrupt, and many such words. Ascribe or ascript. Again of Latin origin. Ascribo, ascriptum, right, meaning is right. Like conscript, describe, inscribe, inscription, like inscription. Sect, seco or sectum. It is cut, like section, dissection. You might have heard word dissection. Like intersect, intersection, vasectomy. The word, the boys might know it, or if not, try to know it and be afraid of it. And 45, sicket or sick, sicktum, cu, sicker, meaning hollow. You might have heard the word sequel, that this is the sequel of that tree. And following that one, this word known to everyone, sequel, like consecutively 3 years, the word is common, like execute or consequence, the common word, or next is soft, this is Greek word, like Sophia, this is Greek word, this is meaning wisdom. Sophistry, sophisticated, sophisticated, sophist, sophisticated, now sick, sift, speak, this is speak, S-P-E-C, speak, expect, expect, or speak, of Latin origin, spatio, spectrum, meaning to look or see, look or look at, like what they are coming, spectator, spectator, spectacles, now only few words together. 48, TACT, tact, or tang, ting, Latin origin, tango or tactum, like touch, like tact, tangible, tactile, tact, or this can also be tactile, tactile, tangible, contact, you see in the sense of that, like contact, contagious, the word, like nowadays the word is very common. 49, temp or temper, like temporary, contemporary, tempest, temporis, original word, time. Meaning is time. So easily we can find out temporary, contemporary, extempore. Like we speak it extempore, many people speak wrongly. It is extempore. That is spoken without preparation. And now, tent, or tent, of Latin origin, tenio, tentum, I mean hold or keep. Hold or keep. Very simple. Tenacious. Tenacious. Contains. And now last one for today. Latin word terra, land, soil. Terracotta, you might have heard this word. Territory. Terrace. He was on the terrace. And this one will be doing tomorrow and onwards, like theo. This is Greek word. Tomorrow we'll talk about, because just daily I decided to give you 10 only. May theology and the all we should be reading tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll finish and I'll start that prefix and then suffixes. This is all about. If you have got some benefit, please send us comments or appreciate doing the all. We'll be doing something better. Thank you for watching me.